Ready to explode your sales with personalized video? Let's dive into whether BombBomb and Follow Up Boss are the dynamite duo you need. First, let's understand the core value. Personalization. Follow Up Boss excels at managing leads and customer data, while BombBomb supercharges your outreach with engaging video emails. This integration allows you to send personalized video messages directly from Follow Up Boss, making your communication stand out. Consider the use cases. Are you looking to build stronger relationships with leads, provide property tour virtually, or offer personalized updates? If so, the visual connection of BombBomb can be a game-changer. Look at the variety of template options that could fit your style. However, weigh the investment. BombBomb is a paid service, so assess your budget and the potential ROI. Will the increased engagement and conversion rates justify the cost? Compare how a generic text email would convert versus a highly personalized video. Track your results diligently. Both platforms offer analytics to monitor open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. If you're not actively tracking and optimizing your video email campaigns, you might not see the full benefit of the integration. Ultimately, the decision hinges on your specific sales strategy and communication style. If you prioritize genuine connection and personalized outreach, BombBomb with Follow Up Boss can be a powerful combination. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward sales approach, this might not be the tech stack you need.